Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have something special for all the lawn enthusiasts out there. The Works GT Revolution 20V 12-string trimmer. We'll be diving into the features, performance, and benefits of this amazing tool that many consider to be the best grass trimmer on the market. Let's get started. First things first, let's unbox this Works GT Revolution and see what's inside. Inside the box, you'll find the Works GT Revolution trimmer, a 20V 4.0 Ah battery, the charger, user manual, and some additional accessories. Now, let's talk about the key features that set this Works trimmer apart from the rest. One of the standout features is its 3-in-1 functionality. It transforms from a precision string trimmer into a powerful inline wheeled edger and even a nimble mini mower, making it incredibly versatile for all your lawn maintenance needs. The proprietary command feed technology allows you to add more line as needed with just the push of a button, eliminating the need to stop and manually adjust the line. This keeps you working efficiently. With 7 handle adjustments and 6 rotating head settings, the Works GT Revolution offers comfort and flexibility. You can use it all day and reach even the hard-to-access areas in your lawn. Compared to previous models, this trimmer is an entire foot longer and operates at 7,600 revolutions per minute, ensuring you can find the right length and power through your lawn chores with ease. The twin rubberized wheels on the lawn edger provide stability and help you achieve straighter edging and easier mini mowing. You'll get professional-looking results every time. The included charger is faster than ever, fully charging the 20V battery in just 1 hour, so you can spend more time working and less time waiting. The cordless string trimmer comes with a spacer guard to protect your flowers and lawn ornaments while you trim around them, preventing potential damage. Let's talk about the performance and user experience with the Works GT Revolution. I've personally used this trimmer, and I must say it's a game changer. It's lightweight, making it easy to handle, and the 20V battery provides ample power to tackle even larger lawns. The command feed feature ensures a continuous supply of trimmer line, so you can work without interruptions. Before we wrap up, let's briefly compare the Works GT Revolution to similar products on the market. In terms of price and performance, the Works GT Revolution offers excellent value for money. Its versatility, adjustable features, and fast charging make it a top contender in the string trimmer category. To sum it up, the Works GT Revolution 20V 12-string trimmer is a versatile, powerful, and user-friendly tool that can transform your lawn maintenance experience. Whether you need precision trimming, edging, or mini mowing, this trimmer has got you covered. That's it for today's review of the Works GT Revolution. If you're looking for the best grass trimmer, this one is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and leave your comments below. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique.